Hello everyone, my name is Sonny Kokart and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all doing well, and today I want to try something new, fresh and smaller. So you guys may know that I've been posting large videos that take up a lot of time and effort to make, and it usually doesn't pay off too well because I upload irregularly. So to fix that problem, I'm going to start by making smaller videos with smaller tips and tricks on various topics. And hopefully that way we can get a larger user base. So let's start with the first tip. So first tip is basically, if you're anything like me, you love listening to music. You love listening to things like Spotify. But the thing is yes, you have your Discover Weekly, and you finish that in about 1.5 to 2 hours, depending on what kind of songs you listen to. But having the Discover Weekly is an amazing thing. But what if you run out and you want some similar songs, you liked that type of music, but you want some similar songs? Well, I'm going to show you that right now. Come with me. Okay, here we are in my Discover Weekly playlist, and I want to find similar songs to all of these songs because I really like these songs. So I want to try and find similar songs. So what I would do is I would copy all of the files in here, and this is because there's a function called create similar playlist, but it doesn't work on already Spotify created playlist. So create another playlist based off of that playlist, just a random playlist, and we're gonna paste it all in there, and then you can right click on it and create similar playlist. It will then create a similar playlist based off of that Discover Weekly. Let's say a more practical approach would be if you have your favorites. So this is my favorites of all times playlist. It's 1733 songs with over 114 hours of playtime on music. And I want some songs that are based off of my entire collection. So what I would do again is right click on it and create a similar playlist. And this will create a similar playlist based off of all the songs that are in there, and it will try to match it together with your particular style, BPM rates. It will take all of that in consideration and create a perfect similar playlist. Now, unfortunately, this doesn't work on mobile, but it will work through the Spotify web application, which you can also reach on mobile, or to just use a desktop app. So that's basically how you do it. Create a similar playlist based off of another playlist. And if you didn't know this feature existed, let me know in the comments down below. Also let me know whether or not you want to see more of this type of content. And if you do want to see more of this type of content, then hit that like button and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified the second I do something. If you don't want to see more of this type of content, hit the dislike button. But do follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you do like it, and then of course go to our Discord community to meet some more like-minded people. I want to thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Peace.